Hi everybody, Ryan Gravel, Service Manager for United States and Canada here at Growatt New Energy. We're coming to you today to announce our upcoming SPE off-grid hybrid inverter and some of its new features that customers have been asking for. The model behind me you see here is one of our new SPE 12,000 watt inverters. It has a built-in transfer switch, dual MPPT trackers with up to 15 kilowatts of PV compatible, upgraded PV voltage up to 550 volts DC and 54 amps of in current split between the two MPPT trackers. We also have a built-in transfer switch for easy off-grid management, IP20 rating for dust resistance, and a 5-year product warranty with easy serviceability due to the integrated board layout. We're excited about it as a cost-effective upgrade to our existing SPF product series, with expansion up to 9 parallel inverters, 320 kilowatt hours of low voltage battery per inverter, 3-phase and commercial application support, and direct generator input with auto start. The SPE is flexible in that it can work with lead acid and low voltage lithium ion batteries. We certainly recommend you take a look at our Growatt ALP battery for optimized integration. So in summary, this is a great upgrade from the legacy SPF products that we've been working with for a number of years that have made many customers happy. Again, increased capacity, increased flexibility, increased repairability and durability. We're really excited about these products and we think you will be too. And to learn more about the SPE and the whole range of Growatt products, please visit our website at us.growatt.com and visit the products page. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.